Hey guys, so this is my bike check, my first video on my channel, so I hope you like it. So my frame is a Sunday Gary Young EX frame. It's really light and it's in raw, so it's nice and shiny. Forks, I have Odyssey R Series forks. They're light and they're durable. I like them. Headset, Odyssey integrated headset. It's brand new. I really like it. For my stem, it's a Sabrosa, but I'm not really sure the name of it. Bars, I have Scavenger Swift bars. They're 30 inches wide and 7.5 inches tall. And then I have the ODI Super Soft Long Neck grips. The ODI bar ends are the best. For my seat, I have the Odyssey Retro Pivotal seat. That's new as well. It's really comfy and light. I like it. For pedals, I have the Odyssey Twisted PC pedals. Best pedals out there. Federal 28 tooth sprocket with the Shadow Conspiracy interlocked V2 chain. It's the first half-length chain I've ever ran on one of my bikes, and I like it so far. I don't really see a difference. Back wheel is a Odyssey Hazard Light rim, and I laced it to a V3 hub. It's really loud. I like it. It's a little bit warped, but I'm going to fix that eventually. So yeah, that's my bike check. Tune into my channel for more like how-tos, like tuck no-handers, eventually 360s, T-bogs, crank flips, 180 fakies, maybe some dirt bike stuff every once in a while. But yeah, my channel's mostly just going to be BMX, so yeah, thanks for watching.